It's been all about superbikes, but let's talk about basketball. What is happening? Because, you know, the basketball league is going on, and a lot of teams will try as much as possible to see if they will be able to finish this season on a high, Jeff.
Quite a wonderful afternoon right here at the Nyayo Stadium basketball court, whereby a lot of games have been played since morning, and I've never told you, Mosa, that this is the best thing that never happened in my life. I always dreamt of playing basketball, but I never played in the top flight league as they are doing now. Quite unfortunate for me, but that's life. So this morning there was games which were played here right at the Nyayo Stadium, whereby Blazers lost to KU Pirates 62-39, and Strathmore won against Riara University 50-45. Strathmore scored 60-41 in favor of Strathmore against Storms. And right now the game which is going on is World Hope versus KCA, whereby KCA is leading with 51 over World Hope, who are actually with 48 points at the moment. Another game which is coming up next is Emiba versus Equity, who are going to have a tough day against Equity. Remember, Equity, they have been doing good in this game, and they have really proved themselves in terms of the basketball National League games. And later on, they will be having Ulinzi versus Thunder. Ulinzi will be deciding if they have enough bullets to down Thunder later at 4:30 p.m. this afternoon. But I'm also joined here by the captain of Strathmore, Joy Odongo. Joy, if you don't mind, just tell us how the game was today. You've won 2 games today. What does it mean for you, and where does it place you in terms of the National League?
In terms of the National League, I think we are ahead because we've not lost any game except for our team 2 that lost the first game. But for the other team, they have not lost any game. The game was good. It had many challenges, but we just had to step up and do our best in the defense.
Playing 2 games in the same day, what does it mean for you?
Okay, in our team, there is 2 teams, so team 1 and team 2. So team 2 played 1 game, and we played the second game. So sometimes it's always tough for the coach, because you find he has to coach 2 games at the same day, and sometimes the games always follow each other. So sometimes it's always challenging for him, but you just have to be there.
So thank you so much. That's Joy Odongo, the captain of Strathmore handball team, which has played 2 games today. Says they have 2 teams playing the first team, the second team playing the second team. The first team played Riala, the second team played Storms. Quite a fantastic afternoon right here at the Nyayo Stadium. Back to your studio, Moses.
Thank you very much, Jeff Mogire, there telling us what we should expect in the Kenya Basketball Federation League, because I know there is a lot of teams there, and those teams will try as much as possible to see if they will be able to get some positive results. And when you think about positive